Hey YouTube, welcome back to another English review. It is time for some black IPA, a Dutch black IPA. If I get a black IPA, if I go to the store or order some beers online, I always buy some black IPAs. This one I did not uh, go to the shop for or order it. I got this from a online shop, and they are pretty close to me. So they contacted me and gave me some beers. This is one of them. Um, it's from a Dutch brewery from Rotterdam, and it's called Bionic Blacksmith. Um, I already did a Dutch review of this, I think about a year ago, uh, back when they were still a home brewery. They're not a home brewery anymore. They became a professional brewery, and they tweaked the recipe a bit. Um, so I'm quite curious how this turns out after a year. This is a 7% black IPA with a IBU of 135. And yeah, loving the label. Um, no, I'm not gonna sing a MC Hammer song because of this. I'm not really big on MC Hammer. The ingredients are water, malt, hop, and the hops are Amarillo, Cascade, Centennial, Columbus, Simcoe. That's a lot of hops. And yeast. Um, yeah, they are from Rotterdam. I'll post a link to their website below the video. I will also post a link to the online shop I got this beer from. This video is made possible by Bier Online. The best before date is January 2022. This was bottled, I think, January this year. So it's about almost 2 months old now. Like I said, already did a Dutch review of a when they were still a home brewery. So I thought, well, might as well do an English one. And you will see a lot of black IPAs coming to this channel in the next months. Most of the time on Saturday, but I also got some new mystery beers, so it's gonna be a black IPAs or mystery beers on Saturday. Yeah, let me know below the video what you think of the style. I love it, but love to hear your thoughts. Nice brown color. With a nice brown, light brown head to it. Pretty big bubbles, as you can see. Stays on really good. Looks kind of black, the color, but it is pours in like a dark brown color. Let's go to the nose. Yeah, that's black IPA for you. It's got that roasty toasty in the nose. Some citrus, like fruity notes. It smells nice. Let's have a sip. Cheers. Oh yeah, it's got that. What you taste first when you take the sip, it's coffee all the way. with a nice bitterness to it as well. Yeah, roasty, toasty coffee, light citrus. Um, yeah, just a straight up black IPA. The head stays on really nice, as you can see. Um, nice, really nice bitterness to it. It's almost got like a West Coast vibe to it in terms of bitterness. Mm. Yeah, it's really nice. Gets a 3.7 on tap. The brewery gets a 3.7 on tap. Um, yeah, I will rate this a 375. I don't know if what I gave it the first time, but you have to check that out on Untapped. Um, yeah, 375 out of 5. Bionic Blacksmith by JELSTER from Rotterdam. Yeah, thanks for the beer. Really nice. Um, I'll post a link to my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Untapped, and Twitter. Yeah, I'm on Twitter as well. Um, and I will post links to the brewery's website and Bier online. And yeah, that's about it for this review. It's a really short one for me. Um, but what more can I say? It's a really decent, nice black IPA. And that's about it. Hopefully I will see you again very soon with another English review. Cheers.